Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden and Tiny Shelf Living. These are some plants that I have rooted in water, and they're just living their best life on this little shelf in their little containers under this little fluorescent light in the kitchen. So I was always curious if I could root pothos leaves. This is Pearl and Jade Pathos, and I just stuck these leaves down here, and look at that. I learned something new. You actually can root pothos from the leaves, not just the stems. This is another one of my favorite plants, and the mother plants are living outside in the garage, and they overwintered nicely last year, and I trimmed them back and stuck them in the garage this year. And I took these cuttings, put them in some water, and they seem to be doing really well under this fluorescent light. This is Nanook Pink Tradescantia. Now this has been in water for a while. Probably should have put this guy outside over the summer, but this is, let's see, Pineapple Brandy Coleus. Look at those teeny tiny little leaves. Teeny tiny little leaves and a big old root system. This is a fun piece of pottery that I picked up. It's an oogle. And then a fun legend all about the lucky little people. This is a variegated spider plant baby that it actually made its way into some dirt, and it seems to like this shelf. Here is another plant. I plant this every summer, and I've tried, this will be my second year to overwinter it in the garage, and that just doesn't work. But I've got these little cuttings. This is Pink Panther Tradescantia. They seem to be doing pretty good, but I'll buy my 3 Pink Panther Tradescantias again this summer, and maybe next year I can bring them in and have some luck overwintering them. Here are some cuttings from what I think is Kong Rose Coleus. It's a beautiful green, burgundy, and red variegated Coleus. It gets to be pretty big, so I'm pretty sure that's the variety. And then this is Cerveza and Lime. These were some cuttings off of some plants that I have overwintering in the garage. I cut some of them back, and I left one of them just as it is. So we'll see what happens this spring when I take all those pots outside, if the ones that I cut back survive the winter in the garage. So there you go. There are my cuttings that are living a wonderful life on this shelf in the kitchen. For the love of dirt, get outside and enjoy what nature has to offer. See you next time.